Good day, sir. We are the Group 2 and our topic is all about physical health benefits of swimming. Swimming is a great workout because you need to move your whole body against the resistance of water. Even military uses resistance exercise in water due to their physical benefits. Swimming has many benefits for our physical well-being. Like other forms of physical exercise, swimming can help to maintain a healthier body weight due to the amount of calories burned through the activity. Like ang swimming, dako kay katabang ang swimming sa ato up like para sa ato ang kanaang sa ato ang health sad like kanang kung maligo ta di ay like kung naatay sakit-sakit di ba moadto man jud ta ana sa dagat para mahumol kay para makuan kay ingon nila ang dagat kay dako kayo benefits para sa ato ang health. And also kanang sa mga military like kanang ilahang mga magkuan jud ba na sila mag-training jud ba na sila sa water kay naadyo posibilidad nga na ay inana something kung naa sila mga kuan manghitabo-hitabo nya mga timing nga naa sila sa water so dako sa jud kaayo katabang ang swimming.
People suffering from a variety of ongoing chronic condition may also see benefits. Some studies reveal that those with asthma, heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis can see improvement in their conditions when they incorporate water-based activities. So this is based on studies na if mo engage sila sa mga water-based activities kay makahatag sa ilahag benefits or like na improvement sa ilang condition to those people nga naay mga sakit like asthma, heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. And it may also help raise good or HDL cholesterol levels.
Swimming serves as a good all-around activity. Along with examples, first, keep your heart rate up but takes off some impact stress of your body. So swimming is a low-impact exercise that provides cardiovascular benefits without subjecting the body to the stress and strain associated with high-impact activities like running or jumping. So example, imagine performing a high-intensity interval training or HIIT session in the water by alternating between fast-paced swimming and breath rest periods. You can elevate your heart rate to improve cardiovascular fitness without experiencing the joint discomfort often associated with land-based exercises. Second, build endurance, muscle strength, and cardiovascular fitness. Swimming engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including those in the arms, legs, core, and back, leading to comprehensive muscle strengthening. So example, freestyle swimming involves continuous arm strokes and kicking motions, which build endurance by challenging the body to sustain prolonged activity. As you gradually increase your swimming distances or durations, your endurance level improve, allowing you to swim longer distance with greater ease.
Maintaining a healthy weight, heart, and lungs. Swimming is a great cardiovascular workout that helps burn calories, improve heart health, and increase lung capacity. So, ang swimming day is daga kayo siya kanang benefits which is maka-maintain siya sa kanang yung healthy weight and it improve heart health and increase lung capacity. So, toning muscles and building strength. Different swimming strokes target various muscle groups. For example, the freestyle stroke primarily works the upper body, including the arms, shoulders, and chest, while the breaststroke engages the chest, arms, and legs. As you continuously move against the resistance of the water, your muscles adapt and grow stronger, leading to improved muscle tone and endurance. The last one is providing an all-over body workout. Swimming engages both large and small muscle groups simultaneously, making it a highly efficient form of exercise. From the powerful kicks of the legs to the rhythmic arm strokes and the engagement of core muscles for stability and propulsion. Swimming provides a holistic workout experience. It also gentle on the joints, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels.
Other benefits of swimming: being a relaxing and peaceful form of exercises. It focuses on breath movement and mindfulness, help reduce stress and promote a sense of calmness, improving coordination, balance, and posture. Involves practicing exercises and movements such as yoga or certain martial arts. Improving flexibility involves incorporating stretching exercises into your routine, targeting major muscle groups and joints.
The fourth benefits of swimming, providing good low-impact therapy for some injuries and conditions. Swimming is often recommended for individuals recovering from injuries or managing certain conditions because it improves a full body workout without putting exercise strains on joints and muscles. The buoyancy of water reduces the impact on the body, making it an ideal form of exercise for those with joint pain, arthritis, or recovering from surgeries like knee replacements. Additionally, the resistance of water helps strengthen muscles without risking further injury. The last benefits of swimming, being available in many places. You can swim in swimming pools, beaches, lakes, dams, and rivers. Note, make sure that the environment you choose to swim in is safe. One of the great things about swimming is that it can be done in various natural and man-made environments, such as swimming pools, beaches, lakes, dams, and rivers. This accessibility means that people from recreational activity or as a part of their fitness routine. However, it is crucial to ensure that the chosen swimming location is safe, with proper supervision, clear water, and suitable conditions for swimming to avoid accidents or health risks.